What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. No product in my hair today, so looking a little bit dorky. Basically, I am a dork anyway, so it's okay. I'm just gonna quickly adjust here. We're gonna go over our friend Ethereum. Currently, we're sitting at $16.99. We are up 2.8 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 205 billion. 24-hour volume, 17.53 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we were talking about that ABC correction. Now we did come up and break this high. Potentially we can still put in an ABC, and a wave B is usually a 3-wave move. So we've come up wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So the alternative scenario is that we've put in a wave 2 and we're still looking to put in a larger wave 1 as shown right here. Previously what I was showing you guys is this is the wave 1 complete, and then we're looking for that larger wave 2 pullback. Actually, I'll just leave this larger wave count the way it is for now until we come up and break this high, and I'll bring my wave 5 back down. So if we were to come up and break this high, then potentially what I'm looking at here is that you put in a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback, and now you're starting to put in a wave 3, and the target for a wave 3 would be about 1793, wave 4, wave 5, and that would be the wave 1 of the larger wave 3. If this smaller wave count plays out, which is in red here, we break this wave 1 high, that's your confirmation that we are putting in the wave 3 and we're still looking at a larger wave 1. But until that high is broken, we don't have confirmation, and we can still be putting in a wave 2 pullback. If we come down, we lose these lows here, and we come all the way down to the minimum target, which is a 0.382 at about 1373. But we have seen a strong reaction from this level. We have a nice double bottom pattern. So we'll give you a breakout target quickly here for the double bottom. If we do see continuation to the upside, that could take you all the way up to the previous high at about 1797. Currently, we're in some juicy profits with our ETH long trade. As you can see right here, we're in profits with our Gala long, our Matic long, and our Ethereum long. I decided to drop it back down to 10 USD per month. Quite a few people were messaging me from other countries telling me they couldn't afford 25. And I come from a poor family myself, so my heart melted. So I decided to bring it back down to 10 bucks a month, 10 USD per month. But at the 25 USD membership, you have direct access to message me with any crypto related questions. So for anybody who's already in at 25, you do have that privilege. You can also drop it back down to 10 if you'd like to. I'm going to keep it at 10 for a while here, just so the majority of people worldwide can afford it here. So if you want to take advantage, you can sign up through the Patreon link. Let's hop back into the analysis here. So if we do come up and break this high, we're looking at a wave 3 with a minimum target here of about 2259. If we pop over to our next chart, which is here on the daily, we do have a strong bullish signal, which is the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. If we look back here, we have the bullish cross right here as a fake out. Now we have to be careful because in the bear market, you can have rallies. You have the bullish cross on the daily and it's just a fake out. We come lower. But if we look at other scenarios where we had the bullish cross right here, massive breakout, we had the bullish cross right here, massive breakout. Right here, we had the bullish cross, absolutely incredible breakout right here. The summer crash, we had the bullish cross, huge breakout to the upside, but we have had fake outs. Right here, we had the bullish cross, it was a fake out. And once again, we're just starting to print the bullish cross of the EMAs. But I would still personally wait for confirmation for us to break the 0.5, come up to the golden ratio, and invalidate this as a wave 4 pullback. Because personally, I still think there's a high likelihood of one more wave down in the market. I think that's pretty much it for Ethereum. Confirmation that we're starting to put in a wave 3 would be to come up and break this high at about 1768. Otherwise, we can still be going through an ABC correction to put in a larger wave 2. That could bring you down to about in between 1158 and about 1373 for ETH. But as of right now, we're continuing to see bullish consolidation. We are holding the EMAs here on the daily. So there is definitely potential to see further upside for Ethereum, and we'll trade accordingly in the Discord. That's it for this one. $10 a month for my exact entries, exits, and take profits, for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. We're making some juicy profits on Gala, Matic, as well as Ethereum. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link at $25 a month to get direct access to me personally with any questions you may have regarding crypto. If you want to trade with me, I trade over on Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial. $4,500 in bonuses over there. Man, I gotta do something with this hair. And you can follow me on IG if you want to keep up with my travels and my personal life. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.